Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Now let's get ready for part 2 of the mystery crochet along to make a super easy neck accessory. As I mentioned in part 1, there are a few different choices and you can start your guessing game. It's either going to be a scarf, a cowl, an infinity scarf, or a wrap/shawl. Well, which one will it be? Well, we're using Pixie Dust Brights Yarn and Puzzle Cotton Yarn from Premier, or you used your own 2 different choices of worsted weighted yarn, or you picked a chunky yarn. We're using in total roughly 250 grams, plus or minus some grams there. And of course, we're also using a 6mm hook. For part 1, you made this very long strip. Well, part 2 is going to be the same. So let's see how the guessing game will change now. You're going to make another strip the exact same way. That makes it easy and really fun because the guessing game may now change. What do you think we're making? So this is 2 different strips, as you can see, right? But I absolutely love how the colors kind of combine. What do you think we're making? Isn't it really cool to just make some simple strips, and you can see it's easy and beginner friendly. So now it's your turn. Make your second strip and then post both of these as a picture into my group Crocheting with Nikki with the corresponding hashtag, and then get ready for part 3. But seriously, that guessing game, I really want to know what you think we're making. And I'm glad you tuned in and you watched till the end of this video. I appreciate you so much, and I'm having a blast seeing all these pictures in my group and having fun with you all with these mystery crochet alongs. You know, with a lot of different more challenging ones. This one I wanted to be easy and fun, just to get you into the mood of the fall and winter season. I hope to see you back here for part 3. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.